Hi guys, in this video I'm going to quickly explain how to learn Lightroom faster or to succeed. Lightroom has a lot of features and tools for image editing and image management, and you can see the main modules here: library, develop, map, book, slideshow, print, and web. But the main modules you want to learn or get a good idea of is the library module, which is used for image management or organizing your photos, and then the develop module, which is for editing. So for the library module, the main things you need to know is import, which is to import your photos from an SD card or from an external hard drive or even within your own local drive. And then you have the export option, which is to, as it suggests, to export your photos into a JPEG or whatever file format you want or which is available. Now let's take a look at the file formats, which isn't a big deal, but here they are. But the main one you'll be exporting in is a JPEG. And going back to the develop module, we'll discuss the modules a little bit later on, but the develop module is where you do most of the editing, or nearly all the editing. And you guys already have a good idea of how the develop module works. You just may not know the terminology, such as here, which is the basic panel. You have your exposure slider, your contrast, and so forth. But most of you own a smartphone, an Android or iPhone, so you may have done some image editing already on your mobile phone. And these are some of the common tools or sliders that are available on Lightroom Classic, which are also available on your iPhone or Android phone. So pretty much try to focus in on using or learning the develop module in Lightroom. It's the most difficult to learn, but it's still easy if you take your time. You don't want to spend too much time learning about comparing images or organizing your images or tagging them or putting keywords or anything along those lines. I'm still going to teach that, but if you want to learn Lightroom fast, just learn how to import photos, export, and then of course in between how to master your editing skills or refine them. After that, everything is just trial and error and trying to add your own touch or your photographic touch to your photos. If you like this video, subscribe and like, and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video.